So for the components, we will take two of the 1A650 battery for powering the ESP32-CAM and servos. We will also take an ESP32-CAM as the brain along with an MB board for programming, an SD card between 4 to 32 GB for storing photos and videos, two of the SG90 servo motors for pan and tilt control, and one TIR sensor for motion detection. Sorry, I forgot to mention that we also need an ESP32-CAM MB board.
Okay, so let's start how to build our pan and tilt mechanism for the ESP32-CAM. So this is the pan servo. You can see this is the pan servo. Like this, it can rotate. This is the wire which is coming from the tilt servo. See, this is the servo wire for the tilt servo. And this is the servo wire for the fan servo. Now we will take the servo hook. Which we will connect to the servo 4. That we will take the foot of the OTO. I have taken an OEO 3D printed part, so we will connect it like this. And we will secure it using a screw. See, this is the large screw, we will attach it here. See, like this, we will tighten the screw, don't tighten it full. If you tighten it full, it will not rotate, full 180 degree. So I will just quickly attach it to the servo. We have connected it. Now we will secure the servo to the leg using this small screw, so that the leg do not comes out from the servo. We will tighten it using the screw. You have to be careful with all these. If you do one mistake also, the whole pan and tilt mechanism will not work. You can also take any other 3D printed part. See, my connections are, I have attached it like this. The pan servo is working now. This is the TID servo, which is also working. Now we have to take both the wires of the servo. And you can name it also which one is which. One, we will take a power rail of the breadboard and connect it to the body using double-sided tips. See, like this, I am connecting it to the body. You can connect it anywhere else. Also, you can take any other 3D printed part or print your own. Now we will take a battery holder. 2 battery holder. This one is for the ER servo. I will attach it using double-sided tape. And this one is for the ESP32-CAM. I will attach this also using double-sided tape. This is for the servos, and this is for the ESP32-CAM. Now we will take the servo wire of the tilt servo. See, this is the tilt servo. We will connect 2 wires to it. One for 5 volts we will connect to the middle pin of the trans servo. And one for ground, we will connect it to the brown pin. We will connect another wire for the signal, which we will connect to the ESP32-CAM. See, this green one is for the ground, and this yellow one is for the 5 volts. We will connect the green one to the ground of the power rail, and the yellow one to the 5 volts of the power rail. And we will bring the signal wire of the servo out of the body like this. This is the tilt servo. This is the pan servo. We will connect again 2 wires. One from the brown pin of the servo, which is ground, and one from the red pin of the servo, which is the 5 volts. And again, we will connect one to the signal wire. So this black one is for the ground, and this white one is for the 5 volts. We will connect the black one to the minus terminal of the breadboard, and the red one to the positive terminal of the breadboard. And we bring the signal wire out from the body. Now this is a single male-to-male wire. We will connect one end to the ground of the breadboard and bring it out. This is very important. If you don't do this, your server will not work. We will push all the wires, everything inside, so it don't look messy. So this is for the pan, and this is for the tilt, the common ground. We will take our ESP32-CAM, along with the MD board I have. Attach the male-to-male headers also to it, so it can connect to the breadboard. We will attach it to the foot using the double-sided tips. Now, this red one is a common ground. We will connect it not to the left side of the ground, but to the right side of the ESP32's ground, which is the 4th pin from the right side from top. Now we will take the tilt servo wire, and we will connect to IO13. Also, we will take the pan signal wire, this one, and we will connect it to IO12. Now, as our connection to the servers are done, you can also see all the connections on your screen. Now we will power the ESP32-CAM first. For that, these are both the terminals of the battery cell holder. We will take 2 male to female wire. We will connect the female header of the wire to the positive and to the negative of the cell holder like this. Now we will take the male end of both the wires. We will connect it to the ground of the battery to the ground, and the red wire of the battery to 5 volts of ESP32-CAM. Like this I will connect. Now wiring with the ESP32-CAM has been done. Now we will wire the servo to give it the power. We will take the positive from another cell holder and attach it to the positive of the breadboard. We will just twist it so that it attached to the breadboard firmly. Now we will take the ground of that same battery holder and connect it to the minus of the breadboard. I have connected it to the minus of the breadboard. See, like this you have to connect. Please don't do other mistake, otherwise it will not work. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment. I will try to give the best response. We will now connect the battery to the servo cell holder and attach it. Hello, let's download all the necessary resources to upload the code. First, open any browser. Now here search zarfrobotics.github.io. This is my official website. Hit enter. It will open this website. In the project section, click on ESP-Sentinel. Now here are all the components. You can buy all these components. I have also given the affiliate links. I have also given the features, the pin mapping, the warnings, the API endpoints, the web control panel, and the source code. This is where you have to come, the source code. Now click on Go to Repository. It will open a new GitHub repository. Now click on this ESP32-CAM security system zip file. Once clicked, click on View Raw. And it will start the download. Click on the file. Now extract to the Downloads folder and hit Extract. Now go to Downloads and open the ESP32-CAM security system folder. Now again click on this. Now here you will get 3 files. This is circuit diagram. Sorry, but I have done one mistake. You have to connect the GNDs of the servos also to the GND of the ESP32-CAM. Let me show you. Like for example, I am doodling it. So here are the 5 volts and GND of the servos which you will be giving externally. You can power the ESP32-CAM through USB. I will write this USB. Sorry about the handwriting. Now hear from the GND. Where the GND of the servo is coming. Connect it also to the GND of the ESP-CAM, otherwise it will not work. Note this change is okay. So the circuit diagram is clear. Now here is the web controller. So first we will prepare our SD card for the web controller. We will prepare the SD card so that ESP32 can store images. So first you have to insert your SD card into your laptop or PC. Now here you can back up all the files because it will all be deleted. So right-click on this and hit Format. Remember to do all the settings as I am doing. File system to FAT32. And name you can name it anything like I am naming it ESP-CAM. Okay, so once you have named, click on Start. It will give you a warning. Hit OK. Now again click OK and close this window. Now you got your SD card ready. No files are there. It's alright. Click on Eject and eject your SD card. Now take out your SD card and insert it into the ESP32-CAM. I inserted it. Now we will open the code. So I will again go to the folder where I extracted it. Now click on this ESP32-CAM AI file. And open now here, I will connect my ESP32-CAM to my laptop or PC. Connect it now. Click on Select Board. It should be unknown, or you can select it in the search. Board search for AI Thinker ESP32-CAM. Click OK. Now the main thing which you have to do in the code is change your Wi-Fi SSID and password. I will change it. Enter your Wi-Fi password. So now hit on Upload. I will let you inform once my code is uploaded. Once the code is uploaded, now we have to set up the web panel. For that, we will go back to our folder where we extracted, and this time we will click on Web Controller. And then we will click on ESP-CAM.html. Double-click on it. Now here it will ask you for your name. You can type your name. For instance, I am writing zip. Now to get your IP address, you have to click on this icon known as Serial Monitor. Click on it. Now set your baud rate to 115,200. Now hit the reset button on your ESP32-CAM. Now you will see your IP address like this. Once it is all done, you can see your IP address. So as I checked, my IP address was this: 192.168.31.165, so I will write it here: 192.168.31.165. You can write whichever your IP address is. Now click on Launch Dashboard. Now it will connect to your ESP32-CAM. See, as my ESP32-CAM is connected, and you can see this. So here you can see the chip temperature. Let me show you how you can see the files which are recorded on the SD card. I will just pause this. So in order to browse your videos, recorded, or photos, you can click on Browse SD, and in the videos you will see the date. I will click on it. You will see the hour in which the videos are recorded, means each video is of 1 minute. Okay, so I will click the hour. So here is my current video, which is of March 6th. Okay. So in order to download, you have to click the first icon. Don't click the first icon. Click the second icon. It will start downloading. Now here you will prompted as insecure download block. Click on Keep. So your video will start downloading. Once your video is downloaded, you can open it by clicking it. And it will open the video. The full video is of 1 minute. Now let me show you how you can open the photos. To open the photos, you will simply click on Browse SD card again. Now here you will go to Photos tab. Again, the date and the time. Here we will get all the snapshots when the motion is detected. So I will open that. Any photo I can open. So I will here click on View Photo. See, I can view the photo, or I can download the photo also from here. Likewise, I can also delete the photo. See, the photo is deleted. So there are many options. You can scroll through them. You can use the PTZ to move your camera. Here you can like this. From here you can do the center. Now here in the camera you can adjust some advanced functions. Now here in motion you can see all the motion logs. From settings, you can change the camera IP address. That's it. You can like. Zoom also. You can full screen. You can turn off the motion. And you can also factory reset the HTML file. Once you factory reset, it will log you again and like you have to again enter your name and IP address, etc., etc. So that's it. Enjoy for now. Now see a demo how the ESP-CAM works.